So just what is an ECU? This is a question we get asked often. In this video, we're going to answer what an ECU is, how they work, and take a look at why you might want to replace yours. An ECU, or engine control unit, sometimes called an ECM or engine control module, plays a crucial role in modern fuel injection and ignition systems. It is the central computer that manages the engine. The ECU controls fuel injection, ignition timing, and pretty much all the aspects of engine operation. The ECU accomplishes this with great precision, thanks to an array of sensors feeding it real-time data. ECUs monitor engine load via the MAF sensor, MAP sensor, or TPS. They control the fuel injection and ignition timing using the cam and crank angle sensors. And they also control auxiliary systems like the radiator fans, boost control, and many other components to ensure your engine runs smoothly. So you may be wondering, if modern cars already have an ECU, why would you need to replace it? Well, as car enthusiasts, we often make modifications to our engines. As we do, we start pushing the boundaries of what the stock ECU can handle. After all, these devices are calibrated for the original engine setup. Too many modifications can disrupt this calibration, possibly negatively affecting performance and sometimes even damaging the engine. In most cases, the car's original ECU has limitations you cannot overcome. Most 90s cars, for example, you can't just plug a laptop in and retune the ECU. Some, though not all, could be chipped. But chipping has its own set of issues. Not all chips are custom tunable, and you're still limited to the factory suite of sensors and the processing power of the hardware of the day. Many components of these older cars are out of production too, so it can be very difficult to track down good sensors and injectors should any start to fail. Later ECUs are a lot more flexible, but they still depend on factory sensors and often have restrictions to tuning, such as not allowing real-time tuning adjustments. Moreover, not all ECUs have been unlocked for modification. If you have a less common car model, there's still a chance you may not be able to modify the ECU. As for the most modern ECUs, the community may still not have solved how to successfully tune them or overcome protections the manufacturers have installed to prevent tampering. So why choose a Link ECU then? Link ECU has the widest range of true plug-in ECUs and a comprehensive lineup of wire-in ECUs to have you covered in nearly every scenario. With a Link ECU, you're not limited to what sensors and components you can use. They also allow real-time tuning and let you incorporate additional sensors for better safety and improve the engine protections. They offer numerous features such as additional CAN keypads, dashboards, nitrous control, launch control, and much more. On older cars, you can update your engine management to the 21st century, allowing you to tune to your local fuel and run modern sensors. So you're not restricted by 30-year-old sensors that are no longer available. You can even use a Link to add EFI to a once carburetted vehicle. With modern cars, Link ECUs give you more control than the stock ECUs. For example, our G5 range lets you fully control direct injection, unlocking its potential and enabling features like staged port and direct injection on vehicles that were previously DI only. They can allow you to do engine swaps while still maintaining the factory functionality and so much more. Link ECUs have found their way into everything from motorbikes and snowmobiles to aircraft, and even experimental direct injection engines. They're used by regular car enthusiasts and professional race teams alike. For more info on our product range, head over to linkecu.com or check out our videos on our YouTube channel. We dig into more topics such as which of our ECUs might suit your build, or how to decide if to go plug-in or wire-in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.